Right.
Okay. Hi, viewers. I'm Ramesh. I'm working as the head of engineering with PZ for the past 10 years actually. I've been with Henkel before I joined with PZ. I've been working with Khosla Machines for the past, you can say, about 15 to 17 years actually. The machines are very rugged and the machines are for the purpose and it is serving the purpose exactly. And since my Henkel period, I have been contacting with Mr. Ashim and the Khosla team. I've been helping to give some newer solutions, what would be whether it is a floor app and other softwrap and all other things. In fact, after I joined with the PZ, we have replaced about 10 missions of Rose Folk Brew missions. We went with the Khosla floor wrappers actually, which are all working fine, highly reliable. And I'm happy about having Khosla missions in our unit and making production. And in fact, I can say it is downtimes and other things what we had previously before we get into this Khosla missions. Now it has improved tremendously. In fact, the line we is also improved a lot actually. Earlier we used to have 50%, 55%. Because of this machines, our line efficiency has gone as high as 70, 75. In some cases we are touching 80 as well. Yes, I can say, yeah, in my experience, own experience from Henkel and PZ, the machines are very rugged and highly reliable. Even I have a good experience with Rajiv Factory 22 years. Now we are moving with 51 years as well. The machines are really doing well actually, reliable, and we like it. And in fact, I mean, we have just placed an order last week, couple of weeks ago as well, one more machine actually. Still, there are more opportunities to, and in fact, today is in this visit also, we have discussed about getting some other modifications, some other different product packaging as well with Mr. Ashim. So we expect more from Khosla Machines to suitable and to serve our requirements, new requirements as well in the future. Okay, thank you.